Bonjour, comment vous allez? Du coup, on va continuer 007 First Light. On en est... 1, 2, 3. On s'en était arrêté, c'est difficile à dire, oula. Au moment où je récupère le téléphone fléchette là, et je le recharge en machin vert là. Et du coup, après, il m'a dit de me mettre dans le cercle bleu. Donc c'est parti.
Bond, whenever you're ready.
Sorry, Ronson. Nothing personal.
Alt. Et les gadgets, c'est 4. Ok.
Nausea, dizziness, and disorientation.
Oh la pauvre.
The target's balance is affected, making it
C'était ça
impossible for them
sur
to
les humains
remain
carrément, quoi.
standing in one place. Perfect for when you need someone
Tu
out
m'étonnes
of
quand
your
tu dois
way.
neutraliser quelqu'un, ouais.
Oh, shit. It's not possible.
Correct. Given your current inability to listen to my
On va
guidance,
pouvoir ralentir le
it's
temps, c'est ça?
Bond, you're up.
You'll get there, mate. I don't know. I need some air.
You can't control the target, Monroe, but you can learn to control
Ouais, c'est
you.
ça.
Bond,
À mon avis, on va focaliser et ça va ralentir un peu la roue.
Sounds simple enough.
Ouais, c'est ça.
skill or pure dumb luck? Let's find out.
Again.
Qu'est-ce qu'il lui arrive à lui, là?
I can't believe you pulled that trick on me. Always do the unexpected. Fast through the spycraft.
I'm impressed.
Yeah, you still beat me.
Well, of course. But still,
Early day tomorrow. Catch the flag at daybreak. SAS are prepping
Ah, mais il est
for
casse-couille,
it
lui.
now. Suggest you get some rest.
Décidément, lui, il nous lâche pas, quoi.
I remember when Sundays were Sundays.
Il nous lâche pas, lui.
Hey, listen, why don't we just take tomorrow off? I wish. I'm serious. But we go get the flag now. Have a well-deserved rest tomorrow.
that's actually not a bad idea.
What? You want to do this, Chris?
First for the spycraft? Greenway can't possibly object.
C'est quoi la règle d'or? Ça se trouve, ils l'ont dit, j'ai même pas... Ok, qu'est-ce qu'on va faire, là?
They're gonna stand there all night.
Leave them to me, boys. Earpiece is in. Let me know when you're through.
Qu'est-ce qu'ils veulent faire, là? Je comprends pas. C'est censé être des collègues à eux,
Hey
non?
guys,
What are you doing there?
Pourquoi ils veulent absolument infiltrer là-bas?
You come in.
listen, I know you guys don't like to be humiliated on the courses, but if you choose to see through our superiority, we're actually really nice people.
You believe this girl? Piss off.
Il aurait pu me laisser ouvrir la porte, lui. Trou du cul. Ok.
So we just wanted to reach out.
Bond. Over here. Ah, more of them.
But I didn't see. How did you?
Attirer.
Try Knight takes Queen.
If that's you, Bennett, I'm gonna stick this knight somewhere you won't like it.
Ok. Bien joué.
Okay, let's split up. I'll go this way. We need intel on the flag's location ASAP.
On it. Keep in touch.
Hey, what are you doing?
Oh, hey, listen. Greenway's birthday's coming up and we're throwing him a little thing. Just spreading the word.
Ok, donc on peut les bluffer. Je pense qu'il y a une chance que ça marche, une chance que ça marche pas.
Cheers.
Je t'ai bluffé, je t'ai quand même... Désolé, mon gars. Sans rancune, hein. On mangera à la cantine ensemble demain.
Monroe? They're having a party without us. Bit insulted. Any word from your two friends?
Nah, still out. They just don't make SAS troopers like in my day.
Okay, I'll keep looking. There's a building across the compound that looks like a good place to start.
Sounds like you boys are enjoying your little game of hide and seek.
just have my Baltic brown granite worktop from home flown in.
Oui, ça va être compliqué de le... À part si je l'attire, je suis bête. On va essayer de l'attirer. Par contre, il y a des mecs qui vont arriver là-bas, je crois, non?
Damn thing.
Ok. Personne n'a rien vu. Nickel. Tu peux pas les attirer là? Non, par contre je peux essayer de les... Ouais non, parce que là il y a trop de monde là. Ils sont 3 là. Si je neutralise le deuxième là, avec ma petite fléchette, que lui je lui envoie l'assiette, que je cours sur l'autre pour le... Oh mais je connais ça. Ah après je peux essayer, ouais. Ok. Et oui du coup ils ont plus la télé, qui vont bouger. Non? Et ils vont se remettre en... Ouais. Ok. Bah je vais tester ce que je disais là. Lui je vais lui mettre une fléchette. Pourquoi je peux pas? Envoie la fléchette. Bah pourquoi je peux pas Ok bah je vais refaire ça. Merde. Wow, faut que je reprenne. Ah, j'ai du mal à esquiver. Hein. Ah! Tiens. Aïe. Non. Ah. Oh. Mais bien ça. Ok.
Bond, just overheard a couple of troopers talking about the flag. It's on the top floor of the back building. Meet me up there.
On my way.
Watch out, Bond. They're about to spot you.
Hey, I don't think you should be here.
Easy now. There's an intruder running around the lower levels.
Nobody told us.
Always the last to know, eh?
Ok, là il y a des mecs. Oh.
Over here.
Let me see.
Ah! Vite, 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 vite.
He's been knocked out.
Pick it up, Bond. Find the flag.
No.
I'll tear you apart.
Are you fighting, Bond?
We've got a dream of it.
Drop the radio.
Control.
Ah!
Where's the front?
Oh la tête contre la brique là. Pas du kiffer son. Wow, merde.
Somebody's down, lying there. You must be joking.
Okay, see if they're hurt. Listen up.
I'm gonna sort you out.
Hey! I'll make the call. Come in. We've got a nutter down here. We need help. Yes,
Allez. Bon, désolé, je suis un peu concentré. Allez là, ils sont trop tanky ceux-là. Ah, j'ai coupé mon skill. Oh, tiens.
Have you checked the top
I can
floor?
show you how it's really done.
Aïe. Ok. Je sais pas s'il y aurait vraiment besoin de faire tout ça, mais bon. Ça m'entraîne pour le combat, donc c'est pas plus mal. Je suis censé être un agent secret, mais bon. Je suis un agent presque secret, c'est tout. Pas me casser les bonbons. Ah si, de toute façon, c'était dans cette salle-là qu'il fallait que je rentre. Ah non, c'est à l'étage. Qu'en fait, c'est gratuit, ils ont pris tarif gratuitement. Eux.
Hey, what is that?
Je peux pas me surspendre là? Ah putain!
Knock your block off.
Le pauvre. Désolé mec, en rancune. On mangera à la cantine ensemble. Ensuite, qu'est-ce qu'il faut faire ici? Ok, c'est plus haut. Est-ce que je peux monter? Je crois pas. Là, y a rien. Ok. À mon avis, il faut que je monte. Hein.
Thought you were on perimeter.
Done. Sarge wanted me to check the flag room. Now I'm gonna get a steak before they're all gone.
Be right behind you. I can smell them from up here.
Ah mais je vais pas lancer parce que... Oula. Il va où lui? Il va où? Il va où? Il va où? Ok.
Is that? Stone.
There's something there.
Get ready for a beat. Back up.
Cover me while I...
Ah! J'ai vraiment du mal à les esquives rouges là.
We've got a knight down here. We need help.
Ouh.
Out to my way. I've got it. Kick it down. Give me a shot.
Let me at him.
Ah!
He's bleeding out. I can show you
Ouah.
how it's really...
Nul! 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 Nul sur 20. À chier! Je suis trop nul. J'ai du mal avec les touches. Les esquives, tout ça, j'ai vraiment du mal. Je sais pas si ça sera pas mieux avec la manette, je sais pas du tout. Faut que j'essaye. Mais là, clavier pour esquiver le truc rouge, c'est faut appuyer sur la barre d'espace en même temps que t'appuies sur... comment pour avancer, quoi, et se déplacer, donc ZQSD. Et les esquives jaunes, c'est avec la touche A. C'est vraiment compliqué. Non, bah non, remets-toi. Ouais, ils sont vraiment aveugles, hein, par contre. Hein?
What?
Est-ce que j'attire lui?
You're in it now, Bond.
Certainly am.
Genre ils ont rien entendu, rien vu là. Ils sont vraiment aveugles. Non, 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 non. Cache-toi, cache-toi. Bon, moi ça va l'attirer. Non, même pas. Ah, nul. Bon, on va bluffer.
Stand easy, trooper. Hereford sent me to check for readiness.
Anyone from 6 comes up here, they will regret it.
Oh, I believe it. As you were.
Wait! I'm going free!
Merde.
Are you fighting, Bond?
Wouldn't dream of it.
Might be faster.
Ah.
Bond, where's the fun in that?
Stop bouncing about and hit me!
Under control.
Okay, back
Voilà.
on track. Other guys taking a bit of a kip.
Ah, c'est fait. Ensuite. Merde, je crois que je pouvais l'ouvrir avec un coup de pied celle-là. Mais non. Quel drapeau il est là? Y'a un mec, non? Non, y'a personne, ok. Ok.
You got it? Right here. Follow me. I've got a plan.
Ok, bah il est... Ah oui, ok. J'avais pas capté le cap. Ok.
Bond, Monroe? Status.
Monroe just crashed the party.
Come on, take him down!
Mais là, eux, je les ai tous... normalement, ils sont tous au sol, ceux-là, en bas.
Oi, lads! Up
Ils
here!
auraient même pas dû être debout.
Up there! Get him!
Ok, attrapez-le, ça veut dire faut que je cours ou faut que je les élimine?
There's too many of them.
Ok, à mon avis, faut que je
Sit
cours.
rep. Oh, we're screwed. Thanks, mate.
Things just got sticky. Main door exit's not really an option just now.
Shit. New plan. Meet me at the backside door.
Can't. Monroe's in trouble.
Lock the door. Ah, circle
That's
around
him!
and meet
Take
me
him
there.
down!
See you in a bit.
Ok, let's go. Alors, j'ai pas trop compris leur move là de faire ça. Ils sont censés être dans un camp d'entraînement.
What's your location, Monroe?
Just pin the route for you.
Et au final, ils s'éclatent à tuer les autres, enfin à défoncer les autres. C'est un peu con quoi.
So I'm curious to hear how every SAS in the compound suddenly got alerted to our presence.
Fallait qu'ils prouvent, je pense.
You take that one?
Can't talk right now.
Convenience.
Sorry. Putting it a bit close there. No worries, mate. All the time in the world.
Ouais. J'aurais pas pu m'envoyer en mission au lieu de juste...
New course. Tougher
Au lieu
opposition,
de faire ça
tighter
une nuit là.
deadline. So be smart. Fastest win gets extra credits. Yes, what is it, Bond?
First rule of spycraft.
Always do
Ah
the
oui, c'est ça, oui, c'est vrai, en
unexpected.
plus ils
And
l'ont
what
dit, il est
about
imprévisible, c'est vrai.
We followed it, sir.
Ils ont déjà le drapeau, ok, c'est pour ça qu'ils ont fait ça. Pas mal. Pas mal. Je sais pas s'il va kiffer le gars. Ça y est, il a rien dit? Ok.
Grab your coat. We're going out.
Don't tell me. Tea and cucumber sandwiches.
You wish. Come on.
Ok, donc c'est enfin fini Malte, normalement. J'ai compris. Là, on va enfin partir en mission, tout ça. C'est pas mal.
Is to everything not MI6.
Ouais, MI6. Ah,
Can't fault their timing.
qu'est-ce qui se passe là? Ils reçoivent une mission ou c'est un test?
You, my big mouth.
Ah ok, non, c'est vraiment une mission, du coup il y a un truc à faire.
Oh, I'm very sorry. Let me get out of your way.
Can't
contact at the bar.
I see I'm in your way. Sorry.
Mind yourself.
Quite well.
Ah mais non, mais près du bar. Le bar, ça doit être par là-bas. Ah, là-bas. Je l'avais pas vu. Eh, bougez là, je peux pas leur mettre des droites. Mec trop violent. En rouge, bah c'est elle, laquelle de toute façon.
The epiphylium oxypetalum only
Ok,
blossoms at night.
c'était le code, ok.
That's an interesting pick-up line.
Lol. Forcément.
Thought you were someone else.
Hey, how can you be so sure I'm not the one you want, yeah? We only just met.
What the hell do you think you're doing?
Oula, oula.
Leaving.
Pas content lui.
Excuse me.
Oi! I'm not finished with you!
Leave it, Gav. Leave it. Come on. Let's buy me a drink.
Charming.
Non mais... Ou lui une baffe.
Gavin, don't.
Ah, en fait c'était lui.
The epiphyllum oxypetalum only blossoms at night.
And only for a single night.
Ok, donc c'est lui.
There's a package for you in the
Ok.
gents.
Toilette.
Watch it in
Ok.
private. X marks the spot.
Un X annonce l'emplacement. Ok, donc faut trouver les chiottes maintenant. Trouver le bon contact qui porte le rouge. Bah ça c'est bon. Se rendre dans les toilettes des hommes. Ok. Parce que je crois que les toilettes c'était vers la meuf tout à l'heure, non? Après ça peut être à l'étage aussi, je sais pas. Non, à l'étage il y a l'air de rien avoir. Je pense que c'était là où il y avait la meuf tout à l'heure.
Sorry.
Excuse me?
Là-bas c'est la sortie de secours. C'est qui lui?
What did your text say?
Got a software update for my gear, so I've had plenty of time to access all of your phones and read your messages. Don't you have somewhere to be?
Right, I do. Did that snooping around give you any hints on what to expect?
It did.
But what?
Get going and you'll find out.
Arrête de traîner, connard. Mets une droite là, toi. Je dirais que c'est par là les toilettes. Mais je ne suis pas sûr du tout. Ah. Ah bah voilà.
Good night.
Donc un X marque l'emplacement. C'est cool, tous les murs sont taillés.
You bald?
Not yet.
Génial. Là,
Yeah.
X.
Yeah. Blonde salt in the upstairs bar.
She got me.
Dunno.
Found you.
MI6 has identified a leak from the Trade Ministry. We've narrowed our suspects to 3 secretaries, Rick Bolthorpe, Alice Weatherall, and Joshua Pike, all at the club this very evening. Your job is to identify the culprit. Bond, you'll be teaming up with Nash and Singh to
Ministre
focus on
véreux.
Pike. Keep this device on you and get up close. It will enable Singh to access Pike's phone. Best of luck, Bond.
Sing, Nash, we're on Pike.
Already looking for him.
Let's do this.
Told ya, I wasn't
Ah.
finished with ya. Everyone else,
Ouais, tout le monde
out.
sortait, pas de soucis, vas-y viens, on va se la mettre.
Sure you
Pas
wouldn't
de
rather
problème,
go
mon
hang
gars.
at the bar? Have to warn you, I'm pretty good.
No one chats up my girlfriend.
A man of principles.
Vous voulez qu'on se la mette? On va se la mettre, mon gars. Allez là! Tiens, tiens! C'est bon? On veut encore? Tiens! Ça va là? T'es redescendu? Trou de balle. Bon, personne va aux toilettes, c'est occupé.
Nash.
Oh, you're all done.
Yeah. Thanks anyway.
What? No, I just came to watch.
Listen, guys. Pike's upstairs, but it's guest list only. But I got the club blueprints, and there are some backstairs behind
Il
the
y a un
bar.
escalier
Over
derrière
the
le bar, oui,
dance
je l'ai
floor
vu.
balcony. That's an access
Ouais,
point.
je l'ai vu l'accès, ok. Faut ouvrir le journal, je m'en fiche. Ok. Ce sont des indices utilisés pour découvrir des opportunités et progresser dans vos objectifs et sous-objectifs. Ok, vous suivrez automatiquement la première opportunité décelée. Vous pouvez activer ou désactiver le suivi des opportunités. Ok, suivant dit qu'il est nécessaire de compléter les opportunités restantes, choisissez celle à suivre. Ok, trouver un accès au balcon bar, se faufiler derrière le bar. Ok. Explorer pour d'autres opportunités. Ok.
Sing? Backstairs are staff only, I presume?
Right. They're in a storage area, so don't get in trouble.
Ok.
Balconies, Nash?
Aye. Overlooking the dance floor.
And how do you suggest I get up there?
I don't know. Just telling you, it's an access point.
Get upstairs, Bond. And Nash, you find a good vantage point for observations.
After you,
Ok.
Bond.
Allez.
Really? Are
Donc
you
là,
sure?
I am. Your hair was different. More, I don't know.
Sure. Oh my god, we have met then.
Donc là, si j'explore, en gros, je peux trouver d'autres possibilités de réussir la mission. Quoi.
No beard.
D'ailleurs, en parlant de...
Handsome though.
Ouais, non, là, c'est la sortie, je pense.
Yeah.
Marqué, de toute façon.
How
On va
charming.
parler au...
Let me get out of your way,
Looking
sir.
for the upstairs lounge?
What am I?
On the side of the club. You got a stamp?
Oh, no.
It's your coat.
You need
carry
one.
it.
If
You
you're on
heard
the
what they're
list, my
charging for the
gorgeous
cloak.
colleague over there will sort you out.
You cheat.
Hey, how's it going?
Are
you on the list?
Chuck it
What
in a
list is
corner.
that?
Maybe you'll get a discount.
Oh, yeah, I am. Just give me a sec, I'll be right back.
Et tu peux pas me le faire le tampon, là? Allez, fais-moi le tampon, non? Ok.
Sorry, sir.
Je comprends pas comment on a le tampon, du coup. Obtenir un tampon, ok?
Watch out.
Comment tu fais, du coup? Elle a dit, ma collègue là-bas va s'occuper de vous. Laquelle, du coup?
Cressida, where's your mark?
Monroe's on her. Yours?
Pike's upstairs, but there's a guest list.
You better get on that list then. Or get up some other way.
Ok.
Ooh. I need to focus here. Good luck.
Ah, merci, meuf. Oui, il me faut un tampon.
Get off the stage.
Flexbox lighting tech, here to fix the issue with the Starlight F4000. Someone must have messed with the cabling. You didn't touch anything, did you?
Me? Why the hell would I do that?
You could look the type. Excuse me. Nash, on the light rig. Balcony coming up.
Good. A little skip, and you're golden.
Skip. Right.
Slate to the crowd disappeared. You know the type. Slippery with 6 cents.
Oh!
What the?
Ladies,
C'est rien, mesdames.
in the lounge now, looking for Pike.
Find him and get up.
Rapproche-toi de lui, ok. Et... Pike se trouve quelque part dans le bar à l'étage. Mais j'ai pas de... description, je sais pas comment il est habillé.
Christ, Lucy, don't you ever take a day off?
Bond, use your Q lens
Ah.
to locate Pike's phone.
I didn't think the big fella was going to let us in.
Ok, donc c'est lui.
I see it.
Ok.
Coming. In a moment.
Definitely not what was supposed to happen. He went right through.
Oh God. Did you get hurt?
Pas discret le gars, je viens à côté de lui.
Fine. And perhaps his ankle.
Later, ladies.
Du coup, faut que je reste à côté de lui.
Getting somewhere. Stay up close for data extraction.
Rose is asking for you, Josh. You going in?
Yeah. I'll just fetch the
Data's
others.
still coming in, but I believe we've identified our Trade Ministry leak. I'm getting photos of classified documents from Pike's phone. Bond, stay up close.
Let's finish this.
We're heading back to the booth. I'm getting drinks. You want anything?
We're good. Meet you there.
So my boyfriend's not looking too hot.
He won't say what's happened, but
Non, 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 je suis pour rien.
you happened.
T'inquiète.
I don't know if I should be angry or.
Non mais tais-toi, c'est bon là. Laisse-moi là, je dois aller paramétrer. Pirater là. Allez. C'est bon, lâche-la la meuf.
Bad news. Pike just entered the exclusive booth.
Better find a way in there then.
Need to find a way past them.
Get away from here.
I'll be on my way then.
Faut pas que j'aille là-bas.
What am I missing here?
Comment je peux y aller? Merci mon gars.
Hang on, do I know you? I think I should if you're in here, it being my party. I mean, I'm paying for the bloody thing, and it's not exactly cheap if you get what I'm saying.
Don't be an arse, Crispin. Besides, I'm pretty sure he's Rick's mate.
That's right. Nice to meet you. Now, if you'd excuse me.
Laisse-nous tranquille, on a du taf.
Yes, but I deserve it.
Ladies and gentlemen, data extraction complete.
Good job. Now let's celebrate.
Where are you guys?
I'm up here on the balcony.
On my way.
Ah, t'es deg, hein, je t'ai passé, hein. Hé regarde là.
Come on, you two. You look like you're having fun. Remember, I just told you those VIP.
What a night. I think we...
Listen, I just found something. Pike's meeting his contact tonight at the club.
And?
We need to act. We could unravel the whole network.
And how exactly would that play out?
Have they met before?
No. First time.
Perfect. Monroe, how about you intercept the meeting?
Il lui ressemble pas vraiment.
Bond, you make sure Pike doesn't show.
Any ideas?
Our best bet would be to stow him away somewhere. Lock him in. That ought to be possible up here.
I'll figure something out.
I'll be by the stairs to make sure Pike doesn't slip down.
Faut que j'enferme Pike. Trouver l'endroit pour prendre un piège. Faut aller là-bas ou quoi?
Exactly. I'm just here for the free booze and then
How was the turnout yesterday? Yeah, you weren't here. You were supposed to do it. I swapped my shit. What?
Quoi?
Not just walking.
Ok. Toi, apparemment, je vois que tu veux reprendre un coup, toi. Putain, je peux pas te le mettre.
I swapped my shift. Good night. Absolutely mental hang-on. So yeah, a proper buzz, I'd say. Great crowd too. Not too much aggro. Any issues tonight? Oh, while I remember, the storage room door is acting up.
Ok, la porte de la réserve. Faut le mettre dans la réserve.
Sam spent nearly 3 hours in there before we even noticed she was missing.
So there's a storage room.
I bet she wasn't happy about that. Nah, she...
Ok. Ça va se passer dans la réserve. Est-ce que je peux y aller là ou ils vont me faire chier? Oh quoi? Il est pas content lui, hein. Je crois que je peux vraiment pas aller là-bas. Si? Ok, si c'est bon. Ok. Faut que je l'enferme quelque part, genre là? Ok, ouais, c'est ça. Forcez Pike à vous suivre. Ça va être compliqué ça. Je vais essayer, mais... Allez, Pike, t'es où? Il est encore dans le carré VIP. Ah non, il est là. Hein? Moi, je comprends rien. Oui, il forçait Pike à vous suivre. Ok, mais comment je l'amène ici donc? Est-ce qu'il y a des trucs là-bas? Ah mais c'est le coin VIP là. Ok. Il est là Pike ou pas? Je sais déjà plus à quoi il ressemble. Ah il est là. Ok. Salut mec, je repasse hein.
Find yourself. Joshua Pike. Change of plans. Come with me.
Who the hell are you?
Your contact had to abort last second. I'm his replacement. You want this deal to happen, then start walking.
Okay, I'll walk.
Ok. Écoute, c'était simple à le faire nous suivre.
Just through here. In here.
Allez, il reste là-dedans. Bonne nuit mon gars. Alors qu'il peut sortir par là où je suis passé là juste avant. C'est n'importe quoi.
Bottle service.
What?
Ah, il lui offre la bouteille de champagne incroyable.
Right guys, that's Pike taken care
Ok,
of.
ça c'est fait.
Tell me you got his phone first.
Shit, I've got you covered. Fried his sim.
Time for phase 2. Bond, meet me by the stairs. Let's
Ok.
regroup.
Parti. Ça passe par là ou pas? C'est juste les chiottes et... Ouais non, c'est juste les chiottes.
Please, look where you're going. Okay, I take it back. There's one guy.
Well done, Bond. Now we just need Monroe to scare the socks off her so she calls her boss.
Change of plans? I just found a message. She's expecting someone tall, dark, and handsome.
The 2 out of 3 won't do.
It'll have to be Bond then. Where is she?
I've got eyes on our girl.
I don't like
Pretty
anything.
black dress. She's behind the cloakroom.
No rest for the wicked.
shots. Now you're talking. Shots.
All up to you now.
Careful.
Moi pas de pression, pas de soucis. Par là. Ah aussi, où c'était là-bas.
I need to make a caller handler for this to work, right, Singh?
Yeah. She communicated with Pike on a rotating comm protocol, and I assume she'll use the same thing with her handler. But I got Pike's phone clone, so it shouldn't be a problem.
If it's not a problem, why?
Found her.
Recharger ça. Hop.
Oh, good. You showed.
And I was just about to leave. You're late.
Oh là
Give her
là.
hell, okay? We need her to call her handler.
Davantage à vendre. Le prix a augmenté.
Leave? I doubt that. In fact, you're so hot for what I've got, we need to talk price. It just doubled.
Why do little men like you
Oh.
always do that? You must know we won't play along.
Mets une calotte. Je te mets pression moi.
I give a shit if you don't. I can easily find someone else who'll be more appreciative of my services.
God, you're serious? I can call my guy, but trust me, it won't
Oui,
turn out
ça
well
tournera
for
mal.
you.
Call him.
Who's this?
Ah bah tiens, madame en robe rouge.
Oh, Christ. Could we not do this?
You prefer her to me? Please. I'm leaving.
Non.
No, stay.
What the? And who the hell are you?
Ah, mais elle est relou la blonde là.
Superior. I don't have to take this. How about you put a leash on your girlfriend?
She's not my girlfriend.
Damn right I'm not. Don't believe a word he says. All
Oh là
smooth.
là.
Such a liar.
Ouais bah casse-toi.
Asshole.
I'm done. Deal's
Bah non.
off.
Moi j'ai le tout loupé je crois.
If you go, the offer is up. It's now or never. Your call.
Give me a few minutes. I need to make a phone call.
Je peux pas paramétrer son portable pour qu'elle appelle pas.
It's me. He wants more money.
Done. She's making the call.
What
No.
took you so long?
Things got complicated.
Well done, recruits.
Yes. I
Extraction in
believe so.
2 minutes. I've marked the location in your
Okay.
lenses.
Understood.
First to
I'll leave
arrive gets
now.
extra credit.
It sure did take a while. But I've always known those looks of yours would get us in trouble someday.
I think he just sucks at turning down the keen looks.
You wouldn't know, Singh, but it actually takes a lot of practice. I'll give you some pointers one of these days, Bond.
Thanks, Kingsley.
Oh oh. Ah bah. Le voilà lui.
You're dead, mate.
Allez. Hop.
Mind if I cut in?
Allez on se la cogne là. Non?
These guys really want to give it up. It's my job. What can I do? Let me take over. The crew are full of regular Londoners, and you had to charm the army boys. What more?
Attends, tu veux que je t'aide? Ah merde. Les combats sont sympas en vrai. prendre les touches en main, mais les combats sont sympas.
I'd say there's still time for a pint. Back in. First round on me. Cheeky half?
I'm suspending training, effective immediately.
Pourquoi?
A situation's arisen, a matter of considerable delicacy. The former 009, real name Reese Beckett. A rogue operative guilty of high treason, he has somehow managed to stay hidden for over a decade. And now he's coming in
Comme
from
par
the
hasard, il
cold.
revient.
009 claims to hold evidence of a conspiracy against the state, and he intends to hand it in return for a full pardon on one condition.
Ouais,
He will
forcément. Ouais.
only talk to John Greenway.
I guess there really is someone for everyone.
And where do we come in, Mum? Last time I checked, cutting deals with traitors was not in our playbook.
009 is a master infiltrator. As resourceful as he is paranoid, thinking 2 steps ahead is this man's idea of lazy. To catch him, we're gonna need eyes everywhere.
Ah bah oui. On est dans le grand bain
Consider
là. Ouais.
this a field exam. Get your equipment and cover
L'autre il
stories
s'appelle
from
Q
Q.
quoi.
Moneypenny will fill you in on the rest.
Il a pas hérité de la meilleure lettre. Hein. C'est Q quoi.
Bond. A word.
Elle c'est M donc ça va. Bah alors l'autre Q. L'autre Q. Il y a tellement de jeux de mots à faire.
Greenway wasn't happy with your performance last night, and he's reluctant to bring you along. Just a heads
Ouais,
up.
il nous fait chier Greenway. C'est bon.
Right. Any advice?
Doing what you're told might be a good start.
Ah la vieille peau là.
Ponsonby?
Bond?
Allez voir Q. Super le nom de la mission.
What did she say?
Greenway doesn't want me to come after last night.
Really? I missed the extraction deadline too.
Well, I am going. That's what counts.
Come on. Let's go see Q. A rogue 00 coming in from the cold. Not bad for a first mission.
She said he's been in hiding for more than a decade. That roughly matches when the program was shut down, doesn't it?
Yeah, it does. You think he caused that?
It could be.
Non,
Or it could
ça
just be
veut...
timing
à mon avis, ça va être à
deciding
cause de
things. I
lui.
mean, Thayer was just integrated. Perhaps the 00s didn't feel needed to the same extent after that.
Heading down to Q-Lab.
In a moment.
Q-Lab. Cover stories and field equipment. This sure beats exams. Wonder what he's got lined up for us.
I wouldn't mind that bike coming
Ah
on.
la moto
Oh?
qui crache du feu.
I heard you were more into explosives. The bigger the better, according to Basil from accounting.
Basil? Who's that?
Vice chairman of your fan club.
Carrément le fan
Chairman?
club.
I guess that would be Greenway, right?
They did both run for the post, but Greenway won by a whisker.
Ok. Allez, donne-moi mes gadgets.
I was looking for you two. Monroe, I have your cover story from Q.
Can't wait. Later, mate.
Any idea what's in store for me?
No clue. Something dashing, no doubt.
This guy? Fashion photographer.
Fearless war correspondent.
Adventurer archaeologist.
I'll see you in a bit.
%98.2% inflation. Fine work.
I still detect a 0.2 microsecond delay in the ECU. Need to adjust the
C'est
total
lui, Q, je
sensors
crois.
before we present a Q.
Good call.
Have you seen Q around?
I think
Non,
he's
même
in
pas.
wearables.
That
Ok,
sounds
c'est
about
même
right.
pas lui Q. Il est où Q? Putain, il est là-bas, je suis trop con.
We need increased stability. Fine
Oh.
print series.
What are we looking at? Portable airbag?
Shelter sphere. If you ever caught...
Bon, en fait, je t'ai pas écouté ta réponse.
He
Je m'en
was
fous
down
pas,
there
hein.
not too long ago.
Juste un petit peu, t'inquiète.
Nicholas Webb.
Sir Nicholas.
Bon, il est là le cul.
Yeah, the
Il est là le
foreigners
cul.
Move over Savile Row.
Et c'est vrai qu'il a les cheveux blancs. Mais ce qui me semblait, il était pas... Il était pas chauve.
That's nice.
Yes. Note the exquisite stitching and attention to detail. Cut, proportion, and style in perfect harmony.
Looks a bit big.
Oh no, this is for Monroe. You'll be wearing that one.
Hein?
I'm the chauffeur.
Well, don't look at me. I just work here. gadget testing. Join me when you're ready. There's some new field gear that I'd like you to try out.
Right. Probably a new line of air fresheners. Downing Street. Cressida's data's on the rise. So looks can kill.
Chaussures avec une lame, c'est pas mal ça. Ils veulent pas me donner ça?
Darling, it's a dream come true.
Let's synchronize
Oh,
our
il y a un
stories.
truc là à regarder.
I'm a big shot sports agent, and you're a washed-up child
No
influencer
time to
with a
date.
massive gambling problem. I took pity on you.
Or I'm a high-powered
Ok, c'est un
lawyer
numéro
or
de
a former
téléphone.
professional
Ok.
rugby player with moderate brain damage. I find your incomprehensible
On va aller à la zone de test.
soothing somehow.
Chauffeur. That's just grand.
Like James here.
Ah, Greenway, il l'a en... Greenway, plutôt. Il l'a en...
Good luck in the field.
Il l'a en grippe, alors du coup, il l'a foutu chauffeur avec une tenue de merde. Quel trou de balle.
Okay, let's see what's in store.
Splendid work,
Allez.
Bridget. I'd say one more round of iteration and we're ready for field testing.
Il va parler à Q, je veux bien. Allez. Hop.
Q? You mentioned some field gear that needs testing?
Quite right. Yes, over here, please.
Qu'est-ce qu'il va me faire
This
tester?
here is a shockwave device. It triggers a small, directed propagating disturbance that staggers opponents on impact
Ok.
and causes medium damage to body armor. Try it out, why don't you?
All right.
Appareil photo donc. Ok.
Now, aim the device at Arthur here, and before you ask, yes, he's good with it.
I'm good with it.
If you say so.
Le pauvre. Oh la
There we
vache!
are. Well done.
Sacré appareil photo là.
Okay, next item. A sleek upgrade to a timeless classic, the smoke grenade. This small-scale, lightweight
Briquet
projectile
fumigène.
blocks visibility, leaving an opponent open to attack. Go on, have a go.
Don't mind if I do.
Capsule fumigène. Pas mal.
Right. Throw it at Arthur. You ready, Arthur?
Le pauvre. Il teste tout.
Now, as you can see, the smoke obscures Arthur's vision, causing an acute sense of disorientation. While the effect lasts, he is
Attendez,
quite
j'ai une
defensive.
bouteille qui est tombée.
And that's the whole shooting match. You may choose your equipment from the gadget cart. Bridget here will sort you out if you have questions.
Thanks.
Good luck out there, Bond.
Hop, désolé. Il y a un truc qui était tombé de ma fenêtre. Qu'est-ce qu'il me raconte? Ah, sélectionner les gadgets, ok. Donc je peux choisir selon ce que je veux,
You
ok.
were authorized to bring 2 items into the field. Not that you're likely to need
Le
them
chariot à
in the
gadgets, ok.
Uh-huh.
Équiper les
Was that
gadgets, voilà, je me
insensitive?
doute de ce que c'est. Hein.
My people skills range in the bottom third.
Surely not.
Gadget disponible, elle est essentielle, elle est toujours équipée, ok. Type de ressources, ok.
Kind of choosing blindly here. Any pointers?
I cannot disclose any specific details about the assignment, only that you will be attending an exclusive social event. High security, low hostility. In these types of situations, discretion, not force, is advised.
Duly
De
noted.
toute façon, ok. Moi je vais prendre le téléphone fléchette, je pense que c'est pas mal. Bon, en fait, je peux tous les prendre, je pense, de toute façon. À mon avis, je peux tous les prendre. Ouais, j'ai 4 places, il y en a 4. Hop. Quoi, caméra, onde de choc remplacée. Ah, je peux pas utiliser l'ongle de choc et le fumigène? Hein? Ah non, mais j'ai que... Ok, j'ai pas encore les 4 emplacements. En vrai, j'aime bien le téléphone. Mais fumigène peut être pratique, même si j'aime bien la caméra. Non, je vais rester comme ça. Ok.
All done.
Huh. Interesting.
What?
Nothing. Good luck
Ok,
out
bah
there.
merci. C'est rassurant.
Shelter sphere. If you're ever caught in an avalanche, you'll be glad to be packing one of these.
Why would I be caught in an avalanche carrying a gentleman's briefcase?
Of course. I'll pull myself together.
Hi. Which floor?
Operations, please.
No problem.
Puis de toute façon, avant de relancer l'émission, je pense qu'on va se laisser là. Et comme ça, on commencera le prochain épisode sur une mission. Là, les débuts sont un peu longs. Bon, c'est normal après, hein, comme tous les jeux. Mais je pense qu'après, ça va vraiment être sympa, je pense. Il y a du potentiel en tout cas. On va voir comment ça évolue. Je peux bouger s'il vous plaît? Allô? Laissez-moi bouger. Merci.
Hello. Can I help you?
Perhaps you can. I'm looking for money.
Pas que je le suive lui. Je le suis ou je le suis pas là? Rejoindre? Non, pas le suivre. Ok. Il y a encore plein de trucs à regarder. Mais j'ai pas l'impression qu'on puisse trouver des... Genre du stuff un peu caché. Je pense que tout est débloquable. Enfin oui, tout est forcément débloquable, mais je sais pas si vous voyez ce que je veux dire. Genre des items cachés ou quoi, je crois pas qu'il y en ait. Ok. Bon allez, on se fait cette petite cinématique. Je pense qu'on va se laisser pour le prochain épisode.
Thea's report was inconclusive, John. 009's been gone for too long to yield reliable data. There's a 50-50 chance that he's telling the truth. We need to know what he has.
We need nothing this man has to offer. Yes, this is just the boon that M's been looking for to get Foreign Secretary Bright and his lot off our backs, but 009 is a master manipulator. Whatever his endgame is,
on va voir ce que la mission nous réserve.
Couldn't help but overhear you and Greenway.
Bon bah voilà. On reprendra où on en est au prochain épisode. Et on va commencer du coup avec une mission. Voilà voilà. En tout cas, hein, merci d'avoir regardé. Puis bah on se retrouve pour la suite au prochain épisode. Allez, bye bye.